guys, how you guys doing? Today we're going to make chicken fajitas, one of my favorite things to make. So I'm making fresh fajita seasoning to coat our fajitas with. You see in the bowl here, we have paprika, garlic powder, cumin, dried oregano, cayenne pepper, onion powder, a little seasoning salt, and some fresh ground pepper and some little sea salt. And we're going to mix that all around so we can marinate the chicken. I'm going to marinate the chicken overnight. You really only need to do it for about 4 hours, but because I have to work in the morning, I'm going to go ahead and butterfly the chicken and get it marinating, and then we'll come back and we'll put it on a charcoal grill and grill it real nice on a hot grill and cut it up, and we'll start doing our vegetables and start throwing it all together with some guacamole and Pico De Gallo with some tortillas and some refried beans. So, shall we get started? I got my chicken breasts here, and what I'm doing is just butterflying these real quick, and I already got those done, and I'm on my last one. Put the knife in nice and flat and just run it right along there and butterfly it out. And then we're going to roll it in our fajita mixture, which the recipe will be in the description so you can see all the little things I put together. And we're just going to put them in our little bowl. And then on top of that, I'm going to add some lemon juice and some lime juice. And like I said, we're going to let that set overnight. And then I'm going to light my charcoal grill up tomorrow and put them on a nice hot grill and sear them and cook them real quick. And they'll be nice and tender. And then we will start making our fajitas. Okay, I'm going to cover this really tight with saran wrap, and then I'm going to put the glass lid on it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then periodically in the morning time I'll probably flip it over, and then before I cook it I'll flip it over and let this thing marinate overnight so we can put it on the grill. Alright, like magic, we'll see you in about 24 hours, or in your case, 10 seconds. Charcoal instead of that gassy fluid, and let me tell you what, those are amazing. You just put one in there and let it go, and it lit my whole grill up. I just thought I would say. They're really, really nice. So first thing we're going to do is the pico. We're going to cut some tomatoes. Do one onion. Okay, I had some leftover green onions, so I'm just going to chop those up. Some cilantro. Put the avocados in. Now we're going to do the jalapeno. A little more garlic. Okay, we'll give it a taste. Put some salt in there. Mix that around. What about now? Perfect. Okay, so we're going to scrape that into our bowl. I just flung that across the living room. Okay, there's guacamole. Now the Pico De Gallo, I put the lemon juice in and the garlic, and we're just going to mix that around gently. And let that get all mixed in. Yum. Okay. Pico De Gallo. And hey, now we're going to cut up some mushrooms. Now some bell peppers. And we're going to do one more onion. And I'm going to show you how I doctor those up. I got my tortilla warmer there. I got a little pan here with some oil in it to do some corn shells. Some fajita on there. Okay. Chicken fajitas, the way we do it here in the house. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. If you have any questions, let me know. The recipes will all be in the directions. Thank you.